Hello, friends. We all know that in this day and age, it is very difficult to survive without technology. Mobile phones, laptops, and tablets have become the norm where we cannot survive even a single day without using any of these gadgets. So, what is the problem with these gadgets? It has become a very common thing where we give our children these gadgets and we allow them to spend time with these gadgets. So, what are the problems that usage of such gadgets causes? First thing is that the use of these gadgets displaces the amount of physical activity that the child gets. So, this leads to the issue of childhood obesity. Second thing is it limits hand-to-hand exploration. So, the child doesn't explore things, doesn't feel things in the natural environment. Third thing is it limits social interaction. So the child is not talking to anybody else, is not listening to anybody else. So this becomes another issue. So these things all added together can lead to a multitude of problems in your child during the growing years. So other than the problem of vision, what are the other issues that this can create for your child? First thing is it greatly affects mood of the child. So since there is no social interaction, it affects the mood of the child. Second thing is it disrupts sleep quality for your child. So the child may not be able to get quality sleep. Even though the child might be sleeping, the quality of the sleep may not be very good. Also, it has been shown that when these gadgets are used in excess, there is a high risk of the child developing depressive symptoms. So, children and adolescents are prone to developing depression when increased amount of screen time is exposed to them. So, what are the norms? What are the guidelines? How do you set guidelines for your child? How much of screen time is ideal? For children below the age of 18 months, completely avoid using any gadgets. So completely avoid screen time unless you want to do some kind of a video chat. Second thing is between the age of 18 to 24 months, which is less than 2 years, you can provide them with high quality programs. But as a parent, you should always be sitting with them and watching the program with them so that you can make them understand what exactly they are watching on the screen. So 2 to 5 years, between this age group, you can limit the amount of screen time to 1 hour per day, and this also should be a very high quality programming and also under the guidance of a parent. Above the years of 6 years, always set consistent limits for the amount of screen time that is the child is exposed to. So other than these, there are a few other precautions that you can take. First thing is always set a time for the family to sit together without any gadgets. So it can be dinner time, it can be during taking a drive, whatever it is, but completely restrict gadgets during this time. Second thing is in the house, always have designated areas where gadgets are completely avoided. For example, in your bedrooms. So don't allow TV screens, don't allow mobile phones or any gadgets inside certain areas like the bedrooms. So these things can be incorporated to reduce the amount of screen time that your child is exposed to. So by doing this, you can prevent a multitude of problems. First thing is obesity. Second thing is sleep quality. Third thing is childhood depression. So these are the three main things that you can avoid by limiting the screen time that your child is exposed to. Thank you, friends.